Hello everyone and welcome to Burn Your Books, Open Your Mind. I am your friend and host BYBOYM and you are watching our favorite YouTube channel Foundation for NEET. We are going to begin today our course in biology and our first chapter is life processes, digestion and absorption. The first topic is introduction to life processes. So in this course we are going to discuss about the basics of biology that are required for foundation for NEET. So living organisms are distinguished from non-living objects on the basis of certain characteristics such as movement, breathing, growth, etc. They are trying to say that a non-living object such as a rock is different from a living object such as your hand in terms that your hand can show movement, it can show growth, and your body shows respiration for which you need to breathe. What criteria can one use to decide if something is alive? Living organisms are well-organized structures which give response to stimuli and show movements that may be visible or invisible to the naked eye. They are made of cells and cells in turn are made of non-living components. Living creatures must keep repairing and maintaining their structures since all these structures are made of molecules. Therefore, molecular movement is the defining characteristic of living beings. So, what are life processes then? Life is a characteristic that distinguishes living organisms from non-living objects. Life manifests itself in a series of processes. What are these processes? These processes are breathing, respiration, nutrition, exchange of gases. The basic physiological and metabolic functions performed by living beings to sustain themselves on this planet Earth are called as life processes. So a variety of processes such as nutrition, respiration, transport of material, and in higher organisms blood circulation, excretion, reproduction, control and coordination, and evolution are exhibited by living organisms. In unicellular organisms like amoeba, all the life processes takes place through the entire surface of the cell because it is in direct contact with the environment. The entire surface of the amoeba is in direct contact with the environment. So exchange of gases can take place directly. But multicellular organisms like us, the cells may not be in direct contact. The inner cells, the inner mass is not in direct contact with the environment, and thus specific organs are required for performing life processes, such as you need a heart for the transportation of material, you need lungs for gaseous exchange. Some of the activities are exclusively shown by plants, still others by animal. Some are common to both. However, not every definition of life considers all these properties to be essential. The only property that is the defining feature is the movement of molecules or molecular movement. Viruses do not show any molecular movement. Thus, we are not deciding that they are alive or dead. They need to infect a host and complete their life cycle. The study of life processes is essential to understand the basic processes of the body. What are these basic processes? Nutrition, which is used for obtaining nutrients and utilizing them. Respiration, for producing energy. Transportation, for distributing food and other materials. Excretion, for removal of metabolic waste. All the above given life processes takes place only in living organisms. The life processes allow a living organism to maintain dynamic equilibrium with its surrounding. One important characteristic is metabolism. It is the sum of total chemical reactions occurring in living organism in order to maintain life. We can divide metabolism basically into two, anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism is the building up. You can see on your screen that smaller molecules and energy are utilized to make bigger molecules or large molecules. Example, amino acids are joined together to form large protein molecules, and On the contrary, if a larger protein molecule is degraded, energy is released and smaller molecules that are amino acids are produced. Hope you enjoyed the video. You are watching Burn Your Books, Open Your Mind.